टॉपिक इज मान परिभाषा निरुक्ति मीयते अनेन इति मानम. Mana means measure through which weight, volume or length of a substance is measured. Necessity of knowledge of mana. Without proper means of measurement, it is impossible to quantify a drug either to formulate a preparation or to administer it to patient. Charaka says that to get success in treatment, one should estimate dosha, desha, kala, bala, sharira, satmya, sattva, prakriti and beshaj of patient qualitatively and quantitatively. For this, awareness of mana paribhasha is quite essential. Types of mana. Mana is of two types, Magadha mana and Kalinga mana. Difference between Magadha mana and Kalinga mana. Magadha mana is said to be superior. As Magadha mana was popular in Magadha Desha, that is today's Bihar, and Kalinga mana in Kalinga Desha, that is today's Orissa, they are called by the names of those two respective places. The measurement of Kalinga mana are smaller than Magadha mana. Example, 1 masha equals to 6 ratis in Kalinga mana and 1 masha equals to 8 ratis in Magadha mana. Magadha mana is explained by Charaka and Kalinga mana is explained by Sushruta. Depending on the nature of a substance, Amarasimha has explained three types of measurements. They are Pautavamana, Dhruvayamana and Payamana. Pautavamana, which is used to weigh and denote solid substances, are known as Pautavamana. Dhruvatamana, which is used to express the capacity or volume of a liquid, is known as Dhruvayamana. Payamana, which is used to denote length or distance, is recognized as Payamana. Pautavamana. Charaka's Pautavamana start from Vamshi or Dvamshi. It is the smallest particle seen in sunrays coming through a window. 6 Dvamshi equals to 1 Marichi. 6 Marichi equals to 1 Sharshapa. 6 Sharshapa equals to 1 Tandula. 2 Tandula equals to 1 Dhanyamasha. 2 Dhanyamasha equals to 1 Yava or half Rati. 4 Yava equals to 1 Andika or 2 Rati. 4 Andika equals to 1 Mashaka or 8 Rati. 3 Mashaka equals to 1 Shana or 24 Rati. 2 Shana equals to 1 Kola or 48 Rati. 2 Kola equals to 1 Karsha or 96 Rati, which is also equals to 1 Tola. 2 Karshas equals to 1 Shukti or 2 Tola. 2 Shuktis equals to 1 Pala or 4 Tolas. Two Palas equals to 1 Prasrati, which is equals to 8 Tolas. 2 Prasrati is equals to 1 Kudava or 16 Tolas. 2 Kudavas equals to 1 Manika, which is equals to 32 Tolas. 2 Manikas equals to 1 Prastha. 4 Prasthas equals to 1 Adhaka or 256 Tolas. 4 Adhakas equals to 1 Drona or 1024 Tolas. 2 Dronas equals to 1 Shurpa. 2 Shurpas equals to 1 Khari. 32 Shurpas equals to 1 Vari. 100 Pala equals to 1 Tula. 1 Seir equals to 18 Tolas. Note, Sharangadhara's measures start from Paramanu, which is 1/30th of Charaka's Vamshi. Measures for liquid, Kudava Patra. To measure liquids, Acharya Sharangadhara has explained a measuring vessel known as Kudava Patra. Its length and breadth must be 4 angula and capacity 1 Kudava. 1 Bindu, a drop of a liquid dropped after dipping a tarjani finger, that is forefinger, in water up to its proximal phalangeal joints. 8 Bindus equals to 1 Shana is to 32 Bindus equals to 1 Shukti. 64 Bindus equals to Pani Shukti. 1 Anjali equals to 1 Kudava. Measurement of distance, that is linear measurement, which is called as Payamana. 1 Yavodhara equals to 0.24 cm. 8 Yavodhara equals to 1 Angula. It is the distance of 8 Yavadhanyas placed one after another. 1 Vitasti equals to 12 Angulas. It is the distance between Angushta, that is thumb, and Kanishta, that is little finger. 1 Arthani equals to 22 Angula. It is the distance between tip of a little finger and elbow joint. 1 Hasta equals to 24 Angulas. It is the distance between tip of a middle finger and elbow joint. 1 Raja Hasta equals to 27 Angulas. It is the distance between tip of a middle finger and elbow joint of a king. 1 vyama equals to 4 hasta. It is the distance between tip of a middle fingers of both hands. Measurement of time. 63 vipala equals to 1 pala. 60 pala equals to 1 ghatika. 2 ghatika equals to 1 muhurta. 30 muhurtas equals to 1 ahoratra. 15 ahoratras equals to 1 paksha. 2 pakshas equals to 1 masha. 2 mashas equals to 1 ritu. 3 ritus equals to 1 ayana. 2 ayana equals to 1 samvatsara. 5 samvatsara equals to 1 yuga. In Western system of medicine also, there are two systems of weights and measures, and they are empirical system and metric system. Empirical system is old system based on arbitrary units, example grain, drachm and ounces, etc. Metric system is decimal system based on rationally derived units, example milligram, centimeter and meters. Empirical system. Measurements of solid. 20 grain equals to 1 scruple, 60 grain equals to 1 drachm, 480 grain or 8 drachm equals to 1 ounce, 12 ounces or 5760 grain equals to 1 pound. Measurements of liquids. 1 gallon equals to 160 fluid ounces, 1 by 4th of gallon equals to 1 quart or 40 fluid ounces, 1 by 8th of gallon equals to 1 pint or 20 fluid ounces, 1 by 60th of gallon equals to 1 fluid ounces, 1 by 8th of 1 fluid ounces equals to 1 fluid drachm, 1 by 60th of 1 fluid drachm equals to 1 minim, 1 fluid ounce equals to 480 minim, 1 fluid drachm equals to 60 minim. Metric system. It has a greater accuracy, flexibility and easier calculation method. Measures of mass start from kilogram and that of liquid start from liter and distance from kilogram. Measures of mass. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, 1 hectogram equals to 100 gram, 1 decagram equals to 10 grams, 1 milligram equals to 1 by 1000 gram, 1 centigram equals to 1 by 100 gram, 1 decigram equals to 1 by 10 gram. Measures of liquids. 1 deciliter equals to 1 by 10 liter, 1 centiliter equals to 1 by 100 liter, 1 milliliter equals to 1 by 1000 liter, 1 decaliter equals to 10 liter, 1 hectoliter equals to 100 liter, 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. Measures for distance. 1 meter equals to 39.37 inches, 1 decimeter equals to 1 by 10 meter, 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter, 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 1000 meter, 1 decameter equals to 10 meters, 1 hectometer equals to 100 meter, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Metric equivalents for units of empirical system. 1 grain equals to 64.8 mg, 1 gram equals to 15.4 grains, 1 minim equals to 0.059 ml, 1 milliliter equals to 16.9 m, 1 fluid ounce equals to 24.8 ml, 1 liter equals to 1.76 pints, 1 kg equals to 2.2 lbs, 0.06 ml equals to 1 drop, 4 ml equals to 1 drachm, 5 ml equals to 1 tsf, 15 ml equals to 1 tablespoonful, 30 ml equals to 1 ounce, 60 ml equals to 1 pint glass full, 120 ml equals to 1 teacup full, 250 ml equals to 1 tumbler full. The Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia Committee, in consultation with Indian Standards Institution, has approved and stated the following table of metric equivalents of weights and measures. 1 rati or gunja equals to 125 mgs, 8 ratis or gunjas equals to 1 masha or 1 gram, 12 masha equals to 1 karsha or 12 gram, 2 karshas equals to 1 shukti or 24 gram, 2 shuktis equals to palam or 48 gram, 2 palas equals to 1 prasrati or 96 gram, 2 prasratis equals to 1 kudava or 192 gram, 2 kudavas equals to 1 manika which is also equals to 384 gram, 2 manikas equals to 1 prastha or 768 gram, 4 prasthas equals to 1 adaka which is also equals to 3 kg 75 gram, 4 adakas equals to 1 drona which is also equals to 12 kg 288 gram, 2 dronas equals to 1 shurpa, which is also equals to 24 kg, 576 gram. 2 shurpas equals to 1 droni or 48 kg, 152 gram. 4 droni is equals to 1 khali, which is also equals to 196 kg, 608 gram. 100 pala is equals to 1 tula or 4 kg, 800 gram. 20 tulas equals to 1 bhara or 96 kg. 1 shana equals to 3 mashas or 3 grams. 1 valla equals to 3 ratis or 375 mgs. 1 anjali equals to 1 kudava or 192 gram. In case of liquids, the metric equivalents would be corresponding liter and milliliter. Linear measures. The following table explain about classical units in inches and metric equivalents. Measurements of time. 2 kshana equals to 0.8 second. 2 lavas equals to 1.5 second. 3 nimisha equals to 1 kala, 4.66 second. 3 kashtas equals to 2 minute 20 second. 2 kala and 3 kashtas equals to 48 minute. 15 ahoratra equals to 24 hours and 2 pakshas equals to 15 days. 2 pakshas equals to 30 days. 2 mashas equals to 60 days. 3 rutu equals to 6 months. 2 ayana equals to 12 months. 5 samvatsara equals to 5 years. Shishkakarda Dravyagrahana Niyamas. According to Sushruta and Charaka, Shushka Dravyeshu Yanmanam Ardreshu Dvigunam Hitam Shushkasya Guru Tikshnatvam Tasmadardam Prayojayit. While preparing any medicaments, if a drug is used to be in fresh form, then its quantity should be double to that of its dry form, because in dry state, drug will be very potent and heavy for digestion. According to Sharangadhara, from Gunja to Kudavamana, the quantity of fresh and dry and liquid drugs remains the same. Whereas Prastha onwards, the mana of dry drugs get doubled if used in wet and liquid forms. Example, if quantity of drug is mentioned as 1 Prastha or 1 Adaka, for same quantity of drug in wet form, it becomes 2 Prasthas or 2 Adakas. To measure of Tula remains same to all 3 forms, that is wet, dry and liquid form of drug. Following are some exceptional drugs wherein their quantity remain unchanged even in wet form. They are Uduchi, Kutaja, Vasa, Kushmanda, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, Sahachara, Shatapushpa and Krishnaparni.